What is up, guys? EAS Coon 55, and today we're going to be looking at a vintage weather radio. This here is a realistic model 12-141 weather radio, and it's really not much to talk about it other than the fact that it's a 9-volt weather radio. It's just a typical weather radio that you would get back in the day, and does not have an alert feature. It's just a push of a button weather radio. So you can see on the front here, this is actually like a little metal piece here. Is a realistic crystal controlled weather radio, and I mean it does have a crystal in there, and that applies a voltage to the crystal, and that vibrates at a certain frequency, and that's what does the tone, and that's what gives you the sound that comes out of the speaker, also known as a weather band, which you hear coming out of the speaker. Little nice little piece of, looks like, I don't know if this is stainless steel or what, but it's a nice feature to it. Nice wood grain cabinet on it. We look at the back side of here. Here's the antenna. Then we have this little tiny little DC 9-volt power adapter, I guess, if you want to plug a power adapter into there. Then we have, this is the other side of it. Looks about like the 12-140 weather radio. And then here is the bottom of it. As you can see, here's all the little controls right here. See, this weather radio does not have 7 channels. It has 3. 162.550, 162.475, and 162.400. The channel, see right here, flipped it between these. And of course, got your simple little volume knob. And so this right here is the battery compartment, which doesn't require no screws. Just slides out, takes a little 9-volt battery. And of course, here's your, I believe that's your serial number, which I think that means April of 90. If I could be wrong, I'm not sure. But anyway, so this is a one that was basically that replaced the 12152, which we'll see a video on that later on. See if I can get that back in there. Okay, so it's kind of difficult sometimes. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and listen to it. A lot of people really I don't really see any videos on this one. I mean, I do, but not any in-depth videos on it. So this button right here is the on-off button, as you can see here. It just, you push it down, it stays down. So this is what the radio does sound like when it's broadcasting. Of course, here's the volume on the bottom. It's kind of hard to do with one hand here, I apologize.
Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. And now the extended forecast. Thursday night, mostly clear.
Of course, the
in
3
lower
channels.
40s. Southeast winds miles an hour. Friday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. Friday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy.
So that is it. There's really not much to talk about on this radio, other than the fact it's just a simple little 9-volt little weather radio that you can get. And it's very portable. It's very small. You can take it with you on the go. So anyway, guys, that is it on the realistic model 12-141. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and also subscribe and expect more.